Hi guys, welcome to Channel Wagwan Tours. We are in Turunç village. Let's have a little look around. So you've got Can restaurant here. So I'll quick show you up here actually. We work our way back. Onion steak. Never seen an onion steak before. Seen a steak with onion. So, pebbly stones. Not really into pebbly stones. Yeah. It's clear, but it's pebble Vespas. Bit more better seating than this one, look at that. Look at the size of them, cushions. A lot more cushionier. Oh, so it's either we walk all the way around there, and then we start again and go all the way back. What do we do? Let's just walk this way first. Let's walk slower. So this nice hotel, what's this one? B-A-D-E. Oh no, Diplomat. This is Diplomat. Never heard of a hotel called Diplomat. But yes, very nice. We got here OBA 09. OBA 09. Very nice. Hello.
Where are you from?
England.
England?
Yeah.
You know English?
She is.
No.
Yeah.
We got Jamaican in
Jamaica. Both of us have Jamaica. Yeah, Jamaica. Yeah.
I know, you Jamaican. Do you know Beverly?
No.
From Jamaica. She's living in Birmingham.
Okay.
No.
Where are you living?
We're living in Swindon.
Swindon. Yeah.
Swindon. Yes.
Yeah.
If you like to swim, quick swim, you can use the beach for free. We don't charge for something.
Oh, thank
Okay.
you.
And if you want to go just for paddle, you can. I don't want to stop you for longer
Okay.
and waste your time.
I know, because we're on a boat, so
Yeah,
we
yeah.
thought, yeah, the
Have a
time
lovely
frame.
time, my
Thank
friend.
you.
Oh, no, thank you.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Kirk.
Cock?
Kirk. Yeah.
I am Sunshine. Nice to meet you.
Lovely to meet you,
Nice to
Sunshine.
meet you,
Yeah.
nice name. So yeah, can use those sunbeds for free. That's good.
I think you have to buy a drink, but he said we can use it. Because guess what, guys? We are very important people. Okay? Very important. Say, Yali. Yali. It's very nice. I thought there was real seagull. Put that one at the back there was a real seagull then. So you got a Zeus Hotel. Everyone's sitting out on the little barge. Looks like you can jump off the end. Is she gonna jump? Do it for the gram. Do it for the gram. No, not waiting that long. Let's keep going. You take pictures for on. I'll catch you, catch me up. So yeah, this is part of the hotel. Guess it's more expensive to stay in this end, maybe. So I've never looked. Never have I thought about staying anything further than Marmaris or Ishmael. But I did know it went round, and there was, if you look on Google Maps, you see like the boats docked in these little areas. So I did actually want to come and see these areas, so it's good that we got to come out here. Got the hotel, Turunç. Up there with the hotel, the stage for the live music. They've got a pool table as well. Very nice. Everyone enjoying the beach. What does the yellow and red flag mean? I haven't seen that one before. Pilos Beach. This one just looks like a beach where you can use it, no dogs. And then I think they've got to like separate the beaches because obviously, look, this one's obviously Pilos Beach, and this is going to be the bar. So obviously they've got to give the locals somewhere, or normal people who don't want to use a bar, somewhere to come and sunbathe. Latin ban in there tonight or tomorrow. I don't know. Didn't really read it. Just saw it said Latin ban. It's very nice though. Very nice. Look at the views. Sabrina's catching me up. So we are going to start a new live, maybe mid-September, maybe early October, when we get back from the next trip. We're going to discuss with another couple. But yeah, we're going to do a new live show, maybe every Tuesday evening, for about an hour and a half. You're going to find out in the future what that's going to be about. Should be very interesting to a lot of people who go away with their partners. So yeah, another little bit of beach that you're not in a restaurant. It's lovely. Doggy down there as well. Is that a puppy? Looks like a puppy to me. Look how clear the water looks. Looks like it gets quite deep quite quickly. If you've watched the other video, we started off, our boat's parked all the way over there, right behind that one. It looks lovely though. Be really good for snorkeling. Really good for snorkeling. Crystal clear with all the rocks. I saw, where was I? I was in actually one of the videos. It's Medieval City. We walked to the beach. Oh, I think it's that one. No, I think that's Sabrina's one. There's one where I'm walking out of the Medieval City and I've gone down to, I said see you later, and then I cut to another little bit. So if you didn't watch to the very end, you might have missed something, but I actually cut to me down at where the beach is, and there was this long fish, absolutely got to be like half a metre long, really pointy, like a ruler, and yeah, just looks strange. I've never seen one like that before. Done a lot of snorkeling in Benidorm. Has really good snorkeling, well I did have anyway. They're massive white fish, absolutely massive. And yeah, they just surrounded you. So many of them. I remember about 2 years ago, they started saying that the fish started nibbling people because it was after COVID and lockdown, and the fish are normally used to people feeding them, and no one had been in there feeding them. So they started to nibble at people's sores and stuff like that. They called them piranha fish, but they're not piranha. They're just hungry fish. But yeah, what we got here, the Happy Garden. Beach and bistro. Oh, gastro. Very nice. So yeah, what a beautiful place. Let me know again in the comments if you've ever been here. If you've come here and stayed here. Look at the rocks all falling down. Right up there. Yeah, let me know if you've ever come here on the boat like us, or if you've ever stayed here. There's all these lovely hotels right onto the beach. So guys, if you can subscribe, like and share, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.